My name is Valaine from Rob and Valaine YouTube channel, and today I am going to unbox a bag. I think it's more on revealing the bag rather than unboxing it because I have already owned this bag for a year now. Yes, I bought this last year, exactly May 29, 2020, and I would never forget this date because this was a time when the New Zealand government declared a move from alert level 3 to alert level 2. And what does this mean? This means that the country has got lesser COVID-19 restrictions and lockdown rules. And because I am so happy that I have survived COVID-19 virus and haven't been harmed by it, I decided I want to celebrate by buying a designer bag. I'm so excited to show you this bag, so let's go. So the bag came with this neat Gucci paper bag. And the box is beautifully ribboned. Here is my receipt, and I bought this from Gucci, Queen Street, Auckland. I'm going to unribbon this now, show you what's inside the box. The bag came with two silica gel mini bags which removes moisture from the bag box, and it also came with several tags, and this is like a warning tag which warns the buyer that this bag contains a magnet, and this one is a responsibility card that says that there is an RFID embedded in my bag, which actually contains the product's unique identification number. And the bag is also wrapped in this satin material flannel bag, or what others call a dust bag. When you open this, yeah, there you go, you can see my bag, and this is called the Gucci Mini Marmont 2.0 bag in black. It actually comes in 4 colors: black, white, hibiscus red, and dusky pink, but I chose black because black, you can pair it with every color. I didn't plan to buy this bag, but I was originally buying this bag here, which is the Gucci Marmont Matelassé mini bag, but then I found this caged in a glass shelf and I really fell in love with it, and I changed my mind and I definitely bought this. I like that it comes in soft leather material with chevron pattern on it. At the back of this bag, you can see a beautiful heart shape, which I find really cute. And this has got a magnetic closure, which I think is very cool and very useful, better than a snap closure. I'll move it closer so you can see there that it has got a Gucci logo embossed in the leather, and below it there's a series of numbers which I believe represents the style code and the supplier code. So this is how the interior of the bag looked like. It's got a gold tone hardware, gold tone keyring, and shoulder chain strap, which is 60 centimeters long. And if you are wondering about the bag's dimension, the height is 10 centimeters, the width is 18 centimeters, and depth is 5 centimeters. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I am pretty sure that you will like my next video, which is just right here. And I will be showing you different stylings of the Marmont Mini 2.0 Gucci bag. And at the same time, I will be showing you some mug shots, what fits in it, and my overall opinion about this bag. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time. Bye!